True or false? Retail jobs are just for students. The answer? A resounding false. Not only could you make an incredible career in retail, but with over 2 million Canadians in it, this field is Canada's top employment sector. Not only that, but of the 2 million Canadians working in retail, 600,000 hold frontline or managerial roles. This bodes really well if you're looking for a career with lots of upward potential. Retail professionals can work in buying, store design, merchandising, logistics, operations, inventory management, security, planning, and more. They also play a leading role in a variety of different sectors and businesses. Large multinational companies, national store chains, small outlets, virtual storefronts, and even family operations require the expertise of retail professionals. Successful retail professionals have a strong work ethic and are critical thinkers. Retail managers are results-oriented and have superb customer service skills. They are also leaders who are patient and good communicators. If you get accepted into the Business Administration Retail program at George Brown College, you'll gain valuable experience creating plans and strategies for both traditional and online retail environments. This will include exposure to business plans, marketing, logistics, and store design. You'll also learn how to apply HR practices and sales concepts to the needs of an organization and measure performance. Eager to learn more? We've created some videos with real people who work in a variety of exciting retail careers. Click here to check them out.